humans? Welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this. So, hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. It's finally friggin' here. And as promised, I have a mother effing collab. Dun dun dun. If I had the sound effect music for that, I'd totally play it right there. But you know me. I'm cheap and unprepared. I thought you already knew that about me, girl. Okay, listen. This collab today, it is on Longchamp. Ash, I hope you will tell me if I said it right today. Ash keeps me straight, y'all. I love her. And I love all of y'all. But she does keep me straight when I don't say something correctly. And that's kind of a lot. Okay, so anyway, Longchamp, we bought, I actually bought 2 extra small bags, but the girls, I don't know what they will show you. Hopefully they'll show you all their bits and pieces and goods. Oh, I've already seen them. Don't tell them I told you, but you know, pictures say 1,000 words, all right? But yes, girl. Right, so autumn, yes. We have Yota, yes. And a special treat, Aaryn of the Handbag Housewife. I just love her channel name. It's really cool. So we're all 4 of us going to show what we bought from Longchamp in the extra small size. Like my, is it behind me? It's looking at me, isn't it? I better get on with it. The sequinedy one. I know it's not a word, but I like to say sequinedy. Just rolls off the tongue. Speaking of rolling off the tongue, I'm going to show you what I bought. Okay. The first one, I have 2 just by pure happenstance. I love to say that word too. I just, you know, it got me the late night scrolling and shopping. And also, Aaryn and Autumn will send me links to things that I don't need but that I really, really want. And so anyway, it ends up that, yeah, I bought a couple of these when I only meant to buy 1, guys. Just 1. And it was this little doll. Aaryn showed this on her channel, and I was gaga over it because the pink, oh my gosh, the pink. Now this one came from Nordstrom Rack online, and it's like it'll show up, it'll go away, it'll come, it'll go, you know, story of my life. But listen, this one did come up on that for $99.97. There's the price. This is the extra small. Now, what really caught me with this, you know, usually it's that nylon, and they've done all kinds of different materials, and I like the nylon. I just like it when they come out with like the puffy leathers or the sequins. This canvas, also another material that I'm going to show you, which you've already seen because Aaryn and Autumn have this bag, but never here nor there. So let me give this the Autumn spin. Okay, I don't know what caught me with this. It's a floral pattern. If you can you tell that it's got like little flowers on it? It's very like, I don't know, just a little different on a bag, you know what I mean? And this little piece, oh my gosh, it's not as stiff as the normal. It's just real pliable and real soft, and you know, I love that. I'm all the way here for that. On this bag, you know that, girl. And what I liked about this one is, that kind of bugs me on these bags, that flap. Ugh. Remember I said, what was it I said about the flap? Unencumbered by the flap. Well, they used to call me in high school. I'm going to say that all the time, guys. My daughter started saying that, and I just thought it was funny. Okay, so what got me on this is trimmed in silver. I like that. But where you attach the strap is here. Right? Game changer, plot twist. Here we go, girl, sis. I know. So on the other one that I have, on that sequinedy one, it goes right here on little D-rings, little rings that pop up on the side, you know, and it's kind of like that on your hip, on my fat roll, like that. But this one's extra special and nice to me because it attaches right here. Mind blown, girl. Mind blown. It is a mind F. All right, let me try. Oh no, this is, girl, what? Who am I? No, she's not the tiniest little thing. No, ma'am. She's not a Barbie doll. She's got, she's hungry hippo. She gotta get it going here. All right, let me see. Hold up. Okay, yeah. I automatically go to the end, girl. Get to the end of the line on the last hole. Get in that last hole, honey. Usually that's not a good idea, but hey, on this, I gotta do it. She's got to, okay? She's got to, girl. Okay. Okay, we've got us a kink. Check this out. Okay, well, it's gonna come right out. It's okay. We can work with this, girl. We can work with this. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Get her all strapped in. Oh, yeah, this is going to be, yep. I can already see. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So far, so good. Girl, yes. Okay. Yeah, this is, she's going to have to lay down, bitch. Lay down, bitch. What you doing? Okay. Oh, yes. Girl, she does hit me in the right spot. Yeah, on that last little... Girl, you love... Oh. Yeah, I don't really want to show you my bod right now because you remember all that weight I lost before December? It's back, girl. Oh, my God. She's been eating and not moving, so we're going to have to fix that. But anyway... Back to the bag. I do like it. At first, I wasn't sure because I hadn't taken it out of the package, but I do like it. It's got the little Longchamp thing back here. I'm going to carry this. I like it. She is a win. We're going to put her in the win pile. Yay! Yes, girl, yes! Okay, put her right there for some eye candy. Bag of the day. I didn't do this for Yota earlier. Bag of the day is... Did she pull out the big guns on y'all or what? We sure did. Yep. She bag of the day right now, girl. Ooh, I feel so fancy with her. But yeah, we switched from Miss Coach. Miss Coach. Coach is getting side-eye on me right now, especially that outlet, girl. But no, this has my heart. I love you. Okay, that was my bag of the day. So I went on Nordstrom.com and got this one, okay? So I love, you know when you order from actual, I tell you this all the time, but it is so true. When you order from the brand, you probably might not get as good a deal, but man, you get the packaging and all the frills. But look, they said, here you go. Here you go, Winnie BLV. Off to your, yeah, they just be... throw in a bag. They do not take any extra measures with that. That's okay. I did get the dust bag on this one. I did not on her. Okay. Let's see. I think y'all already know. I mean, it's this because, oh my gosh, the Boucle. Yes. Autumn bought this. And I seriously stutter-stepped on this 3, 4, 5 times, and she kept saying, you need to get it because it's going to sell out. You need to get it. And I was like, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. I do need it. It turns out I do. So you have seen this on Autumn's channel and Aaryn. I believe both of those gals have this bag, but it is like a shearling type of, or what do they call this? What do they call this fluff when you have it on a coat? It's not shearling, it's... What is it? I can't think of it. Anyway, it's that stuff, guys. Okay. Check this. Okay, let's do the spin. Okay, so the strap is beautiful, but guess what? You're not adjusting this bitch. I'm sorry, you are not. She's gonna be where she be. And where does she go? On Winnie B? Under my boobage. That's okay. I might put a little extender on here because y'all know I love me an extender moment. And that's okay, that's okay. But I do love this bag. Oh my gosh, for some reason when they showed it, I thought, when I've seen it on channels, I thought it was a little more structured, but this thing is just, it's, you know what I mean? It's a little flimsy. You'd probably need to put a dreaded organizer or shaper or something in there to keep it shaped, but I'm gonna fill it up with stuff, guys. Yeah, it's just a little hole. That's what she said. Look, yeah. Love, love, love. It's got the little pocket back there. It's got all your little Longchamp stuff in here, honey. Okay. Or little Nordstrom tags and stuff. Now, see, this little thing is a little more stiff. This is just, I would like to have a whole bag made out of this flimsy stuff. That's nice. Oh, yeah, girl. Yes. All right. So, I am digging this. I like the green. And I don't know, something about the strap is so cute. It's got the little detail on there. Yes, girl, yes, girl, yes. Okay, so those are my little Longchamp purchases. I really need you to go over and check out Aaryn, Autumn, and Yota and see what they got. Because I haven't even seen it. I need to, girl. I need to. I'm going over there next. And if you came from their channels, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I've gained so many subscribers in the last month. Thank you guys. I do appreciate that. And so many more people are watching and getting down with my vibe. What? Is it your dirty little secret that you're getting down with my vibe? Don't tell anybody. I'm going to tell everybody. All right, so next week I do have a tiny mini haul from Louis Vuitton. Something that my husband got me for Valentine's Day, something I ordered from Fashion File, I ordered something from eBay, and also I won something from Candy. I'm going to show you that, and then I bought another little, it's an upcycled little thing that I'm going to put on a chain. I think I gave too much away, and that I ordered from eBay. But it is Louis Vuitton as well. So that is coming up. Enjoy your day. I'm going to enjoy my bag of the day. And hopefully I'll stay in her for more than a day. Because this bag, she deserves at least 2 weeks, girl. Oh, yes. All right. Thanks for watching. And have a great rest of your weekend. And if y'all see my husband, though, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, guys, exciting news. I have gotten my box straightened out. Yes. Yes, girl. I'm starting to put like great things down there. My description box. You already know. We take care of old girl. But anyway, my description box. Yes. When you want to check out like deals, if I have links, of course, I link to any collab videos or any videos that would be relevant to what this video was about. Check my box, girl. Always get in my box because... Anyway, yes, because I feel like I've said that a million times, not on YouTube, but you know. Yeah, get in my box because sometimes if I'm wearing a t-shirt, I will link it. This one my daughter made for me, but... yes, let's see, what else? Any kind of promos, if I'm showing you something, the link will be down there. If I have a code, any of that stuff that I'm wearing, if I want to, if you want to see it, not me, I've already seen it, but if you want to see what I'm working with, check out my box. I mean, words to live by, right? And also, I am going to be putting, this is a new thing I'm starting down in my box. I'm going to be putting stuff for sale. So if I am releasing some of these bags back into the wild, I will, you know, be putting that down there, and I'll have the pricing. You can contact me on my Gmail email, and it's going to be all good, or Instagram, or however you can find Winnie BLV, okay? Yes! Check out Winnie's box down below, biatch.